फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers here watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. We are here discussing the first warm-up game that India has, first and the only warm-up game that India plays before the T20 World Cup journey begins against Ireland on June 5. India played Bangladesh in their warm-up game, and even though all in all it was a good match for India, but there's one player who has obviously failed to deliver. He came out to open the innings, and that is Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson, although he's a middle order player for India, for Rajasthan Royals, he does play at number 3 or at times opens also. But for India, he has been playing in the middle order. But there was no Yashasvi Jaiswal in the match today. Virat Kohli was also rested for today as he reached US a bit late. But Sanju Samson came out to bat and he couldn't do much, and that has obviously sparked the debate of which wicket keeper should India go with in the first match, that is against Ireland on June 5. Sanju Samson coming out to open scored only 1 run in his 6 balls, and even though his IPL record has been phenomenal, but his international record, especially in T20s, is a big cause of worry because as you can see, his last 5 T20I score, India versus Bangladesh is this match, 1 run, 6 balls. India versus Afghanistan, he played the T20 out of the first ball. India versus Ireland, 40 of 26, one good innings against Ireland. Again, one more match against Ireland, 1 of 1 versus West Indies, 13 of 9. These are his last 5 T20I innings for India. His IPL record, as I said, that it has been phenomenal, but his international record is something that raises question of his inclusion in the playing 11. He has been given a spot in the squad along with Rishabh Pant, 2 wicket keepers, but only 1 wicket keeper will play, as the spot he played in this warm-up match is opening, and we already have 2 contenders, Virat Kohli and Yashasvi Jaiswal, for it. अब जिसके साथ इनका सीधा competition है to be in the playing 11 is Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant came out when Sanju Samson got out. He scored 53 of 32 balls and he got retired hurt. He didn't retired out, rather not hurt, retired out. और उनको रिटायर किया गया क्योंकि वार्म अप गेम थी और भी बैटर्स को मौका देना था इंडियन टीम ने. और वार्म अप गेम्स में यूजुअली होता है when a batter is playing really good and you have seen enough of him, you retire him out and give other batters a chance. और पंत के साथ भी वही हुआ. He was looking extremely good today, and the kind of innings he played today, as I said, 53 of 32 balls, 4 fours, 4 sixes, 165 ka strike rate. It looks more or less that Rishabh Pant will start the World Cup in the playing 11 for India. And Sanju Samson again, even though it's just one game, you can't judge a player on the basis of one game, but competition इतना tight रहता है इंडियन टीम में कि एक इनिंग्स में काफी फर्क, स्पेशली जिसके साथ आपका जब competition है वो एक 50 मार जाए और रिटायर्ड आउट हो instead of getting out. So it really favors that batter. But Sanju Samson again, a lot to think about. Maybe he'll get a chance somewhere down the line in the T20 World Cup along with Rishabh Pant, and he'll have to obviously be in his A game and use those opportunities as well as he can. But for now, what do you guys think? Is this do you consider this warm up as a proof enough to have Rishabh Pant in the 11, or do you still back Sanju Samson over Rishabh Pant, or will you go with both of them together in the playing 11? This is a very important question. What do you think? Do let us know in the comment section down below.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।